Hey guys, welcome back to YouTube channel. Today we are in Epcot, and what are we doing, Dad?
Tonight we came here to complete the night events for the 50th anniversary here in Epcot, and as you can see right back there, the Beacons of Magic has started over here, and we're super thrilled because we've never seen it. And other than that, we're actually going to see Harmonious for the first time. You know, it's been going on, what, now 2 weeks, a week or something like that. But anyway, it doesn't matter. We're here, we're super excited, and most importantly, let's compare it with Disney Enchantment. Let's see if it's better than the one at Magic Kingdom. That way you guys can decide which one to watch if you only have one choice. Right?
That is awesome. Yes.
Yeah, it is awesome. But anyway, if you happen to be brand new around here, hi, welcome to Kool Adventure, and our main mission is to help you to have fun when you come here to Disney World and any other theme park. Make sure you become part of this family by simply subscribing down below and hitting the like button if we're sharing any valuable content with you. Are you guys ready?
Yes.
Awesome, because I am. So what are we waiting on?
So let's go. Wait, Mom, hit the intro.
Mom, hit it!
I could show you how to defeat
Guys, we have seen these, or at least I have seen it in different videos, but it's
I haven't seen it in any videos.
surreal when you watch it. I mean, look, I got the chills right over here.
That's awesome.
Amazing show, Kyla.
That was really,
Your
really
thought?
pretty. That was really nice.
This is awesome. You guys definitely have to just come over here and check it out.
That was really cool. Like, I haven't seen any videos, and that was so cool.
Yeah.
But one thing that I don't like is all the flickering lights.
Yeah, I don't like that how it keeps flicking. But anyways, other than that, it's actually beautiful. So, anyways, if you've been here before, let us know. What do you guys thought about these Beacons of Magic? In my opinion, for what I've seen, the best.
Yes.
I prefer this one better than even the castle. I'm sorry. Right?
Yeah.
Hey, you know what's gonna be interesting? We're almost at an hour from the show. Show is at 9:45. Are we gonna be able to find a good spot, or is this gonna be like Magic Kingdom where we have to fight
I think
for a
so.
spot?
I think we got here late, and it's busy.
It's a busy night
It's a
tonight.
busy night.
Definitely. So, also from where we're standing, look at Spaceship Earth. I mean, it's kind of hard for you guys because of my lens from here, but I mean, it looks pretty dope. Looks beautiful, but it'll be very interesting. So let's see. First spot that I want to try, if you guys go straight right over there, that's what I want to try. As I've seen and heard that that's one of the best spots. And by this best spot, this is what I mean. If you find, I think it's called the Portal Entry store over here, and you look, this is where you're gonna find, and basically just like Magic Kingdom, you'll find the tape, and that's where you gotta be. So it will be kind of hard because now you gotta decide to either be somewhat rude and stand in front of somebody because you legit have the space, which we don't like doing.
We don't like that.
Or do we stay here and try to sneak through there, you see? Because we have more space in here, so.
Or do we go somewhere else and try to find a different spot?
Yeah, somebody did a map about the best spot. Maybe I'll be back over here soon and show you the best spots.
We should try all these spots to see which one.
And and then let you know the best spot that you could find for the show, Harmonious show. Alrighty friends, so just like in Magic Kingdom, we're gonna do 2 shots, one from this angle. So let's see, Karen can catch better angle than I could. And the other one will be right over there. Khalil and I are staying over there. And also, I wanna just take the opportunity to share with you that this is the only section for wheelchair that they have in here in the entire park. They said that it filled up pretty quick, so make sure that you are right here on time. We still have about 45 more minutes before the show, so that's good though. We still have some spot, even right next to me and Khalil. We're currently 20 minutes from the show, and they started the music. They actually started to ask people to stand up. I'm assuming it's because they want people to start not holding space. And this area by the handicap section is almost full. I think they have space maybe for like 2 more parties, and that's it for what I heard. That cast member in front of me said, but this is something that you have to plan accordingly. But this is basically the trick is just to be inside the tape, so that way you're in compliance.
Voices calling out in search of one another. We find each other in song. You raise your voice, and it's enough to lift the human spirit. So the whole wide world will hear it.
Wow.
Good night.
So Khalil and I were separated from Karen and Kyla. All I have to say is wow.
Oh my god. Like, if you can only watch one at the Magic Kingdom or Epcot, Epcot, hands down. Like, I had goosebumps, teary the entire time.
There are people that have said that they were not crazy about it. I mean, I respect everybody. I don't know what they're talking about.
I would watch this all the time. This was
I'm legit not a big fan of fireworks and all that. This is a show that I will watch over and over.
I really want to come and hit all the spots to see which one truly is the best spot because these were amazing.
That was nice. So Magic Kingdom was like okay, but this, as soon as that first scene, me and mom looked at each other and we were like, we knew that it was gonna be better than Magic Kingdom.
I'm sorry, Harmonious just put Disney Enchantment to shame at this point.
Shame.
We may get hate on this, but you have to come over here, check it out.
How pretty that is.
The water elements, everything, the fireworks. Wow.
And the water on top, they're making projections on top of the big circle, like with the big screen down.
Yeah. I know, Carlo, you were a little bit distant from me, but what do you thought, bro?
It was really good. Like, even if those people in front of me, I still got to see almost everything. And one thing, I looked at the spaceship Earth, and it showed a projection in the Aladdin scene.
Oh, yeah?
Oh, we might have to record a scene. Coco.
Yeah, check this out. They allow people to go in here. Wow. So they opened the middle space, the middle section, so people can actually walk in, and you're able to see even closer. This is amazing, guys. Look at that. Right now they're showing Simba right now. Look at that. Wow. Just want everybody to know that we happen to be in the best spot of the park. Right there. Space Teacher right over there. Harmonious right over here. It can get any better. Can't get any better.
Hola, we back.
Alrighty, guys, here from Epcot. Harmonious. What an amazing show.
That was so good.
I mean, Karen just told me that she almost wishes that the 50th celebration would be here.
If we listen to my stomach, dude.
But don't worry about it, Karen. I think the 40th celebration come next year over here.
Awesome.
So
We gotta be here.
hopefully, who knows, they may do some changes to this for the 40th celebration here in Epcot. So anyway, we hope you guys had a blast. You guys had fun?
Oh,
Yes.
It was worth waiting for these guys. You gotta come over here and enjoy this amazing show. But anyway, thank you so much for all the love and support. Sadly, this adventure has ended, but with that said, we want to remind everybody to
Subscribe.
And smash that like button, turn that bell for notifications.
Bing, 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 and feel free to comment down below. Always remember to
smile loud, be great.
Be cool.
and stay awesome. Subscribe to the next adventure. Bye,
Bye, guys.
Boom.
Boom.
Boom. See ya.
Bye.
And in case you guys were wondering what spot we were at, basically, this was the zone that we were hanging out with, that I met Kyle and Karen over here, and then they opened this rope section over here, and they let people go in. You see how they shut it off now? Well, that was kind of cool to have kind of like an opportunity to take as many pictures as we wanted up to whenever they decided to shut it off. Obviously, the park has closed now, and it's time to leave, but it was amazing. Amazing
It was
experience.
so